Hi, Billy the Artist here, and some drawing fun for during the holidays and all time. Here we have a blast from the past, but these are the drawings that I did earlier, a little while ago, so just a reminder, and the links are in the cards and the descriptions, how to draw some Pokemon characters. Now in my how to draw video playlist, there's over 90 videos for you to have a go at, of lots of other characters, but we have Pikachu, we have Jigglypuff, and we have Drogonite. Now I used a cheap set of felt tip pens for the series, the kind that you can get from a Poundland store, or you might get given a set as a part of a gift for your birthday or Christmas, that kind of thing. I thought, let's have a go and see what they're like to produce drawings. And I bought these well over a year ago, and they're still going even today. But it was quite good fun to draw Pikachu, Jigglypuff and Drogonite. Again, links for these videos in the cards and in the description, with lots of other characters. Like I say, there's also Danger Mouse and Shaun the sheep and plenty of others. And more recent ones are the characters from the early Man Aardman Animations film. So we have Doug, we have Hognob, we have Gooner, and we have the evil Lord Nuth. Again, check out the How to Draw playlist, and they are all in there. But this is to encourage you to learn to draw and develop your skills. And these are in real time. But I also have these time lapses of these portraits. These are pencil portraits that I have done. This is Jenna Coleman, who played the aide to Doctor Who, Clara Oswald, in the Doctor Who series from BBC. And this is Cheryl, the singer. And again, these are just drawings that I did, but these take a long time. This one was about a day and a half. This one was just over about a day's work. So you can see what you can do with a pencil. But we also have in the portraits, we have Doctor Who himself, Peter Capaldi, and Ed Sheeran. So again, check those out. Please do like and subscribe to my channel for more how to draw fun, because there's a lot more coming in the future. So I do hope that you enjoy these videos. But not only if you're interested in art, if you or you know someone who is interested in music, please do check out my wife's channel, Sharon Bill. Link in the cards and in the description as well. She has a lot of music tuition online available for you for free. Now you can check out her work, and she has stuff for absolute beginners right the way through up to advanced, but a lot of music theory, some piano stuff, but a lot of music theory as well. So if you're doing your ABRSM music theory, grades 1 to 5, do check out Sharon Bill's YouTube channel, but also visit sharonbill.com, where all the PDFs to download are there for free as well. Anyway, thanks very much. Please do like and subscribe, and I hope to encourage you with your drawing again soon. Ta-da.